Welcome back, chemistry fans. All right, I am very sorry that I am not there today. I'm on a field trip and you're on your own. And I know that this is the last topic, but you're in good hands because I'm the one teaching you on the video. Just make sure that you watch the videos, go through the details, and practice before we have our exam. So let's jump into the expectations. Let's talk about it. Let me share my screen, where you are, and what is encouraged for you to do. So here is our day. And what I need for you to do is scroll through here. You want to watch the entertaining video about how to balance a redox reaction. That's a good place to start. And of course, there's Khan Academy. There's many other resources that you could utilize. I encourage you to practice the warm-up that's on this page, warm-up number 57. There's a solution video to help you through that. You don't have to go onto whiteboard because I'm not there to give you feedback on it. The calendar, if you were to click on that, you would see that we do have a test coming up on Monday. It is 4 questions, and we're going to talk about that one here in just a second. If you were to click on the countdown, I believe it would say we're somewhere in the 60%. Don't forget that by Monday, I expect that you will turn in the notes, that you will turn in the laboratories, that you will turn in the exam prep. I have the expectation you will do that before we take the test, not after. It doesn't do you any good afterwards. Get it done, practice before, so that you can understand the content a little bit better. All right. Here is where you would get into that content. It's a little video explaining how to do the balancing of redox reactions. And then I have a video for you. I did not make this one. However, I would like for you to watch it. It's not that long, where they do the lab that we would have done had I was there. And then there's a couple of questions on the assignment page for you to try and handle with that portion. And then I've got 4 questions for your homework. The solutions are split into 2 different pieces. I recorded them at 2 different times. The more difficult ones are on the left. The more easy ones are on the right. All right, speaking of the exam that comes up next class, it is 4 questions. The first question is how to predict the net ionic equations. We've spent a couple of days working on that one. I hope that you understand the differences about what you cross out and what you don't. You need practice with this so that you will understand today's lesson. Calculating oxidation numbers, that's what you're going to do in today's warm-up, what we did last class. And then number 3 and number 4, this is the new content. Number 3 is not difficult. If you understand the definitions and you write them down, and by the way, they're in your cheat sheets, so you'll be able to look those up there. There's also in the cheat sheets, there is how step-by-step procedure for how to balance a redox reaction. So follow those steps and hopefully you'll be ready if you do some practice for this. Okay, with that said, please don't hesitate to contact me if you have questions, if you need clarifications about this. Let's get it going and let's make sure that you are prepared for the test next class. Thank you very much. Have a good night. I will talk with you again very soon. Bye-bye.